Welcome to the LocalWell YouTube channel. Today, we'll learn how to download monthly GST reports in the LocalWell app. Let's start. It's easy to download GST reports from the LocalWell app. On the left side, you have a Business Reports option. Click on Business Reports. Here, you have multiple types of reports to download. For now, we must download the GST report. Here is a section for GST reports. Click it to see three types: GSTR1 for sales and returns, GSTR2 for purchases and returns, and GSTR3 for both. Mark the star to move them to the Start section. For example, let's download a month's GSTR1 report now. First, click on it. Then choose the date range. We need the GST report for the last month. Select dates from 1st June to 1st July. Now we have the last month's GST report. For the summary, see the summary option on the right of details. Here is your tax summary. Click Export at the top right and press F4 to download. Export the GST report as a PDF, GST format, or Excel file. Choose the best format for you. If you want, you can email this report, print the GST report, and also download other GST reports. So, this was our video for today. I hope you liked it. Remember to subscribe to the LocalWell YouTube channel, like the video, and leave your feedback in the comments. For more help with LocalWell, you can WhatsApp us anytime. Thank you.